In this video, I would tell you 3 things, the coolest things in menswear in 2019. Let's go! And hi, my name is Michael from Men's Finest and welcome to my YouTube channel. Browse around, there is shed loads of content here on Men's Finest YouTube channel. Have a look, browse around, playlists, stuff. Let's go. So in this video, I'll try to focus your attention on 3 major brands and also kind of phases that I see in menswear in 2019, beginning of 2019 for the summer of 2019. And these are as follows. Number 1, anything that is rugby style, any polo or long sleeve rugby shirt that are kind of in pastel colors, anything that it's maybe slightly pink, maybe also slight kind of baby blue, pale yellow, that sort of thing is going to work tremendously well. Whether you're a big rugby player or whether you're a skinny fella, you can definitely try to pull off some rugby long sleeve kind of, it's not a shirt, it's more like a sweatshirt kind of, these kind of styles. Number 2 on my list is anything vintage. I mean, vintage is back on a scale I've never seen before over the years I've been doing menswear, because it's kind of coming back in terms of glasses, in terms of just upper body, lower body. You know, even I see these days more and more guys are wearing straight cut jeans, which is unusual after so many years of very narrow, very slim fit, very skinny fit ankles and knees. All of a sudden we see straight cuts and a lot more brands are going for this look. So anything vintage, anything that kind of resembles that sort of vintage heritage, go for that. It's in style. And number 3, I would say, if you're gonna wear bow tie, wear a big, massive, oversized bow tie. It's a trend, it's coming back. Tom Ford, Tommy Hilfiger, I mean, you naming the biggest stars of menswear today, they're all rocking a massive bow ties. Let me show you. And I'm not talking only about big bow ties for, you know, the gala dinners, for any sort of formal events, for the weddings. I'm not only talking about those big ones like this Italian velvet or this, but that was navy. This is black Italian velvet as well. You know, massive oversized. So it fills in the gap quite nicely here, you know, on on your neck. But also anything that is cotton or wool related. You know, this is one of the ones from Men's Finest collection, but big oversized bow ties. We practically went for the entire collections of oversized bow ties. Check them out here. There's lots of different colors, but go for something that is vintage, pastel colors, big oversized bow ties, ties, that sort of thing. It's definitely back. Big glasses as well, big sunglasses. All of that is back. Be ready. 2019 summer. It's coming. Stay stylish. Ciao.